Page number 176 from our textbook, lesson number 13. First it is Sati's story. Satish is a 13-year-old boy. His father had taken a loan for farming, but the crops failed. Now Sati's mother has to pay rupees 5,000 every month for the loan. Satish started working. He looked after 17 goats of the village. He earned rupee 1 every day for one goat. एक गोट के पीछे उसने हर दिन 1 रुपया कमाता है, तो 17 गोट है, दैट मीन्स उसने 17 रुपीज़ पर डे कमाया है. नाउ हाउ मच विल ही अर्न इन 1 मंथ? एक दिन में अगर 17 रुपीज़ कमाते हैं तो 1 मंथ यानी दैट विल बी इंक्रीज. फॉर दैट पर्पस वी हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो हियर डू द हेडिंग Satish. One day, rupees 17. 1 month, that means 30 days, equal to 17 multiply 30. So multiply it by 3. 7 3s are 21. Carry 2. 3 1s are 3 or 2. 5 and come down this 0. That is rupees 510 he will earn in a month. Does he earn enough to help pay the loan every month? उनको हर मंथ में कितनी रुपीज़ चुकाना है? रुपीज़ 5,000. जबकि उसने हर मंथ में कितना कमाता है? 510. So this one not enough. It will not enough to pay the loan every month. Next, how much will he earn in 1 year? So 1 month equal to rupees 510. 1 year equal to 12 months. That is 12 multiply 510. 12 ones are 12. Then 12 fives are 60 or 1. 61. And then this 0 come over here. So rupees 6,120 he will earn in a year. Next it is Kamla Bai's story. To help farmers, the state government gave cows. State government ने cow देना start किया. Kamla Bai Gure also got a cow. कमला भाई को भी एक cow मिला. The cost of the cow was rupees 17,500. वो काऊ का कीमत कितना था? 17,500. She had to pay rupees 5,500 and the government spent the rest of the money. उन्होंने क्या किया? 17,500 टोटल काऊ की प्राइस, उनमें से 5,500 ही उन्होंने दिया. रेस्ट ऑफ द प्राइस गिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज how much did the government spend on the cow? So right over here first, Kamla Bai price of a cow rupees 17,500. Price given by Kamlabai. 5,500. Now we have to subtract this 2. 0, 0, 0. 7 minus 5, that is 2. And here it is 1. So that is 12,000. So rupees 12,000 paid by the government. Rupees 12,000 paid by the government. Next question. If 9 people from her village got cows, how much did the government spend in all? Number B. For one person, rupees 12,000. For 9 person, 12,000 multiply 9. So as we know, 12 nines are 108. After that, this 30. So here it is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So government given 1,08,000 rupees for 9 people. Come for next. But Kamlabai was not happy. Kamlabai खुश नहीं थे. She had to spend rupees 85 every day on the cow. उन्होंने क्या किया, हर दिन वो गाय के पीछे 85 रुपीज़ खर्चा करते थे. She made some money by selling the milk, but still she wanted to sell the cow. उन्होंने वो काऊ में से हर रोज़ कुछ पैसा उसे मिलते थे उसका मिल्क सोल्ड करके, मतलब बेच के. लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने खुश नहीं थे, वो काऊ बेचना चाहते थे क्योंकि उसके पीछे कुछ रीज़न है. सो फर्स्ट, इफ़ कमलाबाई स्पेंड रुपीज़ 85 ए डे, एक दिन में अगर 85 रुपीज़ खर्चा करते हैं, फाइंड आउट हाउ मच शी विल स्पेंड इन 1 मंथ. सो ए नंबर, 1 day she spent rupees 85. 30 day, 1 month means 30 days. She will spend 85 multiply 30. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 8s are 24 or 1 25, and then bring this 0. That is rupees 2,550 she will spend in a month. Question number B. The cow gives 8 liters of milk every day. हर दिन 8 लीटर मिल्क देती है. How much will it give in 1 month? So 1 day equal to 8 liter milk. 30 days, asking for 1 month, that was 30 days. So 30 multiply 8, that is 3 8s are 24, and this 0, 240 liter milk. Number C. If the milk is sold at rupees 9 per liter, how much money will Kamlabai make in 1 month? Find out how much do you pay for 1 liter of milk? So 1 liter she will get rupees 9. So number C, cost of 1 liter milk rupees 9. Then cost of 240 liter total milk. So 240 liter milk, 240 multiply 9. So 900, 9 4s are 36. Carry 3, 9 2s are 18 plus 3, 21. So rupees 2160 she will get to sell 240 liter of milk. Now, so the money spent on keeping the cow was rupees. काउ रखने के बाद उनका खर्चा हुआ था 2550. Money earned by selling the milk, that is 2160. Which is more, money minus money spent on the cow or money earned from it? How much? तो किस में ज़्यादा खर्चा हुआ है? मनी स्पेंट ऑन द काउ, इट इज़ ग्रेट. And then how much more? So we have to subtract both of these. That is total spent 2550. Total spent rupees 2550 and total earn rupees 2160. Do the subtraction over here. So 390 rupees she spent more in her cow. Now come for the practice time. So do the heading practice time. Number A, Shukhi works on a farm. He is paid rupees 98 for 1 day. If he works for 52 days, how much will he earn? Right over here, A, Shukhi. 1 day he earn rupees 98. So number of days he works, that is 52 days. He earn 98 multiply 52. Now multiply over here, 98 multiply 52. 8 2s are 16, carry 1. 9 2s are 18 or 1. 19. Then 5 8s are 40, carry 4. 5 9s are 45 and 4, 49. 6 9 9 or 1 10, carry 1 4 or 1 5, that is 5096. So right over here rupees 5096 he will earn to work in a field.